Good day, ladies and gentlemen. Bow to the weather here with another special report for our bass fishing weather report. We're looking at the start of December, and thank goodness that the hurricane season has officially ended. That still doesn't mean that there's not a possibility of potential tropical storms. We are tracking a system just a little bit above the area of Colombia right now, and there is a possibility that it may develop into some type of depression. It's just actually stagnant, but we believe that conditions may be present for another few days for further development. If not, then it will just probably just dissipate. Anyway, we're actually looking at the weather here for Texas, Louisiana. We're also looking at the weather for Alabama, um, Mississippi, and Florida. And the way the weather is right now for Florida, it looks like it's going to be overcast with low wind. And then for Texas, though, we do anticipate movement of a low pressure system that's going to be migrating closer to the Mobile, Alabama area by Thursday. And with that, we anticipate heavy rain for most of the day, with thunderstorms possibly at night. For the other states, we are looking at Mississippi, where it will be clear and sunny for most of the day with low humidity and low wind. Sunny midday clouds for Louisiana, and then Alabama. We are looking at sunny with some cloud cover and low humidity for most of the day. Now, when it comes to our title cards, which are the special cards that we prepare with the information, we are looking at Florida with a sunrise of 7:07 a.m. and sunset of 5:34 p.m. The pressure will be 30.27 at 1 a.m. and 30.36 at 11 p.m. High tide will be at 1:40 a.m. and 3:36 p.m. and low tide will be at 9:32 a.m. and 9:22 p.m. We are looking at a opposing lunar transit at 2:17 p.m. to 4:17 p.m. and a lunar transit of 1:52 a.m. to 3:52 a.m. And we're also looking at the moonset at 9:04 a.m. and moonrise at 7:31 p.m. And that is the title card for Florida. When we look at Texas, we're actually looking at Texas, as we mentioned, possibly heavy rain there. Um, it's going to be a sunrise of 6:55, sunset at 5:16 p.m. The pressure will be 30.15 at 1 a.m. and 30.05 at 5 p.m. High tide will be at 12:52 a.m. low and 5:46 p.m. and low tide will be at 9:54 a.m. and 10:14 p.m. Opposing lunar transit will be at 2:04 p.m. to 4:04 p.m. and lunar transit will be at 1:39 a.m. to 3:39 a.m. and moonset will be at 8:54 a.m. to 9:54 a.m. with a moonrise at 7:14 p.m. to 8:14 p.m. And those are the conditions and the title cards for Florida and Texas. Keep in mind that we are tracking that low pressure system. We do anticipate that it will have more of an impact on the Texas border between, of course, it will be a Gulf interacting with the Gulf air that is still pretty much very dry and very worked from the heavy hurricane activity of this season. But we do anticipate that there will be significant rain activity in Texas for tomorrow. Quite a few thunderstorms, possibly late at night. So do anticipate that if you are going out for some bass fishing, that will be a possibility. Yes, and when it comes to the state of Mississippi, we are looking at a sunrise of 6:35 a.m. and a sunset of 4:35 p.m. With a high tide of 10:19 p.m. and a low tide of 7:54 a.m. And we do have a pressure of 30.39 at 10 a.m. and 30.24 at 11 p.m. And for the opposing lunar transit, we are looking at 1:42 p.m. to 3:42 p.m. and a lunar transit of 1:16 a.m. to 3:16 a.m. with a moon set of 8:33 a.m. to 9:33 a.m. and a moonrise of 6:51 p.m. to 7:51 p.m. And that is going to be the conditions for the Mississippi for that region. And we do anticipate that for the weather, it will be low humidity and low wind, with mostly a clear day with clouds and sunny. So when it comes to Louisiana, we are looking at sunrise at 6:38 a.m. and sunset at 4:59 p.m. With a pressure of 30.36 at 10 a.m. and 30.18 at 11 p.m. And high tide will be at 2:17 p.m. a.m. and low tide will be at 1:02 p.m. with an opposing lunar transit at 1:47 p.m. to 3:47 p.m. and a lunar transit of 1:21 a.m. to 3:21 a.m. And moonset will be at 8:31 a.m. and moonrise will be at 6:57 p.m. And that is the conditions for the Louisiana area. And then we are looking at for Alabama. We have a sunrise of 6:31 a.m. And a sunset of 4:50 p.m. with a pressure of 30.39 at 10 a.m. and 30.24 at 11 p.m. We do have a high tide of 11:58 p.m. and a low tide of 11:30 a.m. The opposing lunar transit for Alabama will be 1:38 p.m. to 3:38 p.m. with a lunar transit of 1:13 a.m. to 3:13 a.m. Moonset will be at 8:30 a.m. to 9:30 a.m. and moonrise will be at 6:47 p.m. to 7:47 p.m. And those are the conditions for the 5 states covered by Bow to Weather Bass Fishing Weather Report for December 2nd. We do hope that you are enjoying these reports. We try to publish them daily for our subscribers. Please, of course, if you do have fellow fishing enthusiasts, friends, family, please by all means share this video with them. Share it on social media. We do appreciate all of your shares. And of course, you can participate in our mail-in of the video screenshot if you would like to receive a vacation. Simply follow the directions in the description box to participate in our title card mail-in video screenshot program. And thank you for subscribing. Of course, click the notification bell so you'll be notified of our next video. Thank you.